Today we are going to see how to make a working station for our data science project, installing Anaconda in our system, and show you almost all the available online Jupyter notebook you can use to work on data science projects. Hi, I'm Arun Solomon here. Welcome to my channel. Let's start by installing VMware in our system. I'm using a Windows operating system, so I am downloading Windows VMware software. Next, we need to download Ubuntu operating system. After downloading, just click on the VMware software. Just click on it and the installation process will start. I am skipping the installation process. Installation process is similar to the rest of the installation. Open the VMware. You can see the home page contains 3 icons and just click on the create new virtual machine. After clicking, a dialog box will be opened and specify where the ISO file is. So I'm browsing and finding out where is it and click next and fill the details. Can allocate how many disk space you want. Here default is 20. I am just allocating 40 space. Just click on next. An additional specification can be done here. The OS will be installed now. After installation of the OS, just go and click on the file and it will open a dialog box that contains how many RAM space you want, what are the customizations you can do. Just do it and click run. Given your password and it will be open. After clicking on Mozilla Firefox to download Anaconda. I will give the link in the description below to download Anaconda. After downloading Anaconda, go to terminal and search for where the file is located. Just give this link to install and the installation process will start. Just press enter. We are specifying the root path. It will be not defaultly happen for some systems, so we need to give the root path. I type anaconda-navigator. The navigator window will be open. In this, you can see Jupyter Notebook, Spider. You can use Jupyter Notebook, and if you want, you can use Spider. It's also an IDE similar to Python Charm or Visual Studio. After opening, we can just test it. This is also the similar process we can do in Windows also. It's working fine. What are the online notebooks available? I have given in the description below. If you like this video, please like and share this video. And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you all. Happy learning.